just found my cat doing something funny. Oh, you quit! Oh. No, do it again. Do it again. Come on, what was so interesting? Oh! I swear she did that on purpose.
Okay. What's she doing?
She had her nose right up to the corner of the door.
Well, you know why? Because she can smell the air through the crack.
I know, but it was funny. You ruined everything.
She must like it.
You're wet. This is normal for her to do. I'll get the camera set up, and she quits whatever she's doing.
Each time the wind